Morning friends, I am Girish sir. In our previous lectures, we have learned about or I have explained you about the question tag related to helping verb. Here in this video, we are going to learn about the question tag related to the action verb. Here we have a formation of simple present tense affirmative statement. We have a subject, verb first form, it's a base form or a verb with STS IS form, object and phrases. See action verb here in an affirmative verb first form. Verb first form is known as plural form of the verb. For example, go or take. When verb first form is given in a sentence, statement will be into negative, answer will be don't. When you're doing क्वेश्चन टैग, अगर स्टेटमेंट में वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म यूज हुआ है तो आपको नेगेशन में डू नॉट लिखना है यहाँ पे। और अगर वर्ब सिंगुलर फॉर्म में दिया है, वर्ब इज गिवन विद एस, ईएस और आईएस फॉर्म, फॉर एग्जांपल गो, गोज और टेक्स, इट इज कॉल्ड सिंगुलर फॉर्म। अगर वर्ब में एस, ईएस और आईएस लगाए तो आपका आंसर आना चाहिए डजंट। और स्टेटमेंट अगर नेगेटिव में दिया है तो वो अफर्मेटिव में चेंज हो जाएगा। फॉर एग्जांपल सेंटेंस में डू नॉट प्लस वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म आता है तो आपका क्वेश्चन टैग का आंसर होना चाहिए डू ओनली। अगर सेंटेंस में डज नॉट प्लस वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म दिया है तो आपका आंसर डज आना चाहिए, बिकॉज क्वेश्चन टैग में अगर अफर्मेटिव है तो हमको नेगेटिव करना है और नेगेटिव है तो हमको अफर्मेटिव करना है। On the basis of this simple present tense, we are going to deal with some sentences over here. See the formation of a sentence over here. I is subject, take is verb first form, right? So subject, verb first form or verb with STS IS form, object and phrases. So I take healthy breakfast, it's an object, and in the morning it's a phrase. So I take healthy breakfast in the morning. It's a simple present tense. Verb first form is given. So verb first form is given. At a time we have to change the sentence into don't, because it's a affirmative statement. So we have to add don't. Then we have to put pronoun, as pronoun is given I. So we have to put over here I. We are going to deal with the second sentence over here. They prefer tea in the morning. They is subject over here. Prefer is verb first form. T is object and in the morning phrase. So verb first form is given at a time. It is affirmative statement. So answer will be into negative. So answer will be over here don't. And we have to put pronoun. They is subject over here. So we put over here they. We have negative statement over here, right? Negative statement will get changed into affirmative. We do not bother about corona. For example, in a sentence, do not is given. So at a time, not will be removed and we have to add, see the formation. If do not is given, we have to put only do. So here we have to add do and we. And he does not eat rice every day. Same sentence, right? With a singular form. Does not. So not will be removed and we have to add only does in a question tag and the subject. Subject is he. Does he? Okay. This is the example we have done on the basis of simple present tense sentence. Now we are going to deal with the more sentence over here. Raghav uses to walk every day. Raghav is subject over here. Uses is verb with S, ES, IS form. So as I have told you, when verb is given with S, ES, IS form, the answer will be into doesn't. So here our answer will be doesn't. Raghav is a male figure, so pronoun for Raghav is he. Raghav does not create a fuss here. So Raghav is subject over here. Statement is given in negative, right? So not will be removed. Only does will be there. Does and Raghav. So we'll put over here pronoun he. Does he? We'll do more sentence on it. They like my company. They like my company for outing. They like my company for outing. They is subject over here, like is verb first form. Sentence is given in a affirmative. So we turn out the sentence into negative. So verb first form is given, at the time we have to put don't, and they will be remain the same as it is pronoun. So I like ice cream. What will be the negative? I don't like ice cream. I don't go there. Do you? Do you go there? It is the same. We have to deal with simple present tense. Okay. One more sentence we are going to deal. He does not talk much to me. See the negative statement, does not is there. So what we have to do? We have to remove not. Only does will be there. Does, and pronoun is he is given, so we'll put over here does he. Like the same, we have done the sentences of all simple present tense over here. We are going to deal with the simple past tense. So in simple past, we have a formation over here: subject, then verb, second form, object and phrase. Verb second form: tell, told, give, gave, take, took, buy, bought. So here we have to deal with verb second form. When in a statement verb second form is given at a time, in an affirmative statement, if verb second form is given, we have to do over here didn't. We have to keep over here. We have to put over here didn't. When in a negative statement did not is given, we have to add only did. Here we are going to deal with some examples over here. I made him yesterday. So I is subject, made is verb second form, him is object, yesterday we can say the phrase. Okay, so what we're going to do over here, verb second form is given, at a time we have to use didn't, and it's pronoun I, didn't I. Second example, they told me this story last night. So they is subject, told verb second form, me object, this story indirect object, last night it is also phrases. Now, so verb second form is given, the sentence is given in affirmative, we have to turn on into negative. Verb second form is given, so we have to put over here didn't and pronoun they. These two are affirmative statement in simple past tense that will be changed out into didn't. Now the same way these statements are negative. He did not visit to my site. So in a sentence did not is given. When did not is given, we have to put only did, because not will be removed. So from here we'll remove the not and did will be there. Did. And the pronoun, what is pronoun? He. So we'll put over here he. We did not have many choices there. See again, not will be removed from here and did. Did, then pronoun we. So when verb second form is given, we have to turn out the sentence into didn't. When did not is given, we have to add only did. Then we have to put pronoun. Now we are going to deal with some different sentence. Kavita read a poem yesterday. Here the verb read is given. Why read? Because see over here, why we will consider this sentence into past tense? Because yesterday is given. Verb read, read, read. So all the forms, verb V form, second form and third form are similar. So at the time we will identify the expression. Seeing the sentence, we will come to know whether the sentence is given in present tense or past tense. See the hinted words are given over here, right? Yesterday, so it shows past tense. So read over here will be verb second form. When second form is given, your answer should be into negative with didn't. Kavita, for Kavita, she is female, so we'll put over here pronoun she. Didn't she? They took my book for reference. So they is subject, took is verb second form. My book object. And what other sentence? When verb second form took is given, here same we're going to deal. Didn't, then they. Pronoun. Now these two statements are given into affirmative and we have turned out into negative. Didn't they? Didn't they? Same here, we have given the sentence over here. Did not, did not. At the time what we'll do? He did not admit his fault. So not will be removed. Then only we have to put did and pronoun he. I did not appreciate his behavior. So did not, so not will be removed. Only we have to put over here did and pronoun I. So my dear friends, viewers, there are many people, they always get confused how we have to deal this topic relevant with specially action verb. There's confusion, right, in have, has or had. So I'm going to deal with you how to use have, had and have in question tag. There are many students, they have always confused how to use have. Have is also considered into verb first form and add as it is represent simple present tense. But when we have subject, then have, then object. हैव के बाद तुरंत अगर ऑब्जेक्ट आता है तो उसका आंसर डोंट में आएगा. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे हैव को देख करके हैवंट आंसर लिख देते हैं, हैज को देख के हैजंट कर देते हैं और हैड को देख के हैडंट कर देते हैं. बट इट्स अ रॉन्ग फंडा एक्चुअली. हैव, only have, then the object deals with the simple present tense. Only has, right, always deals with the simple present tense. And only had, then the object deals with the simple past tense. For example, I have given over here, I have many friends to accompany me. See, over here I subject, have is verb first form, and many friends are over here object. So what we have to do, when subject plus have plus object is given, at that time our answer should be into don't, because have over here represent verb first form, and as we have learned out, when first form is given, we have to turn out the sentence into negative with don't. So have here, right, shows verb first form, so your answer should be don't. Then I, pronoun. Same here, subject दिया हुआ हो और खाली सेंटेंस में हैज हो और उसके बाद में तुरंत ऑब्जेक्ट आता हो. सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट हो, हैज हो और उसके तुरंत बाद ऑब्जेक्ट आता हो, right? So at that time our answer should be doesn't. Why doesn't? Because have is verb first form, has is s, es, is form. Have, has. See, the s is there. Okay, so when verb with s, es, is, at that time our answer should be doesn't. Why doesn't? Because it also deals with simple present tense. We have example over here. He has a new laptop. He is subject. Has is verb with s, es, is form. Has. Right? So its singular form is given. So he has a new laptop and the new laptop is object. तो मैंने बोला कि अगर has के बाद तुरंत अगर object आता है तो उसका आंसर क्या आना चाहिए? Doesn't में आना चाहिए. So here we have to add doesn't and the pronoun he. सेम ईयर बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को ऐसा कंफ्यूजन होता है कि अगर हैड दिया है तो तुरंत बिना सोचे समझे वो हैडंट आंसर लिख के आ जाते हैं. बट इट्स रॉन्ग. we have to see the whole sentence. We have to read the sentence first. We had pineapple juice there. So had, then the object. Had, then the object. See, subject had here stands for verb second form. Have, had, had. So had stood over here for verb second form. When verb second form is given, remember the rule, simple past tense. Verb second form is given, we have to put our answer into didn't. We have to add didn't in a sentence when verb second form is given. So had, we have over here verb second form. So our answer should be did and the pronoun we. Now we go for one next topic, right, related to question tag, where we have to put haven't, hasn't and hadn't. So here we are going to clear about our doubts relevant to have, has and had. If it is have plus verb third form is given, at a time have plus third form, see the first sentence, previous sentence, I have a mobile phone. So have plus object. Here we have I have taken, I have given, I have built. So have subject, has have plus verb third form, then the object and the phrases. It shows present perfect tense. When has have come along with verb third form, then the answer will be right haven't or hasn't. अगर have प्लस वर्ब का थर्ड फॉर्म दिया है सेंटेंस में, जैसे यहाँ पे दिया है I have received, तो have प्लस received वर्ब का कौन सा फॉर्म है? थर्ड फॉर्म है. सो अगर have प्लस वर्ब का थर्ड फॉर्म दिया है तो आपका आंसर haven't में आना चाहिए, राइट? have प्लस वर्ब का थर्ड फॉर्म दिया है तो आपका आंसर haven't में आना चाहिए. और has प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म दिया है, सी द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल ओवर हियर, सब्जेक्ट has प्लस वर्ब का थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफर्ड, तो हैज ऑफर्ड. अगर हैज प्लस वर्ब का थर्ड फॉर्म दिया है तो आपका आंसर हैजंट में आना चाहिए. बहुत सारे बच्चे खाली हैज और ऑब्जेक्ट कुछ भी दिया हुआ हो या खाली हैव दिया हो और ऑब्जेक्ट कुछ भी दिया हुआ हो तो हैजंट या हैवंट करके आ जाते हैं, बट इट्स रॉन्ग. वी हैव टू डील विद द सेंटेंस फर्स्ट. हमको सेंटेंस को आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि वेदर वो प्रेजेंट टेंस में दिया हुआ है या परफेक्ट टेंस में दिया हुआ है. अगर परफेक्ट टेंस में सेंटेंस होगा तो हैज हैव के साथ में वर्ब का थर्ड फॉर्म आएगा, जैसे यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है I have received the mail this evening. तो यहाँ पे have के बाद में verb आया. वहां पे क्या होता था? प्रेजेंट टेंस में have के बाद में ऑब्जेक्ट आता था. I have a marker. तो I have और फिर मार्कर आया, तो मार्कर तो क्या हुआ? ऑब्जेक्ट हुआ. लेकिन यहाँ पे I have received, यहाँ पे verb आ रहा है. तो जब भी have के बाद में verb का थर्ड फॉर्म आए, have के बाद में verb का थर्ड फॉर्म आए, तो आपका आंसर आना चाहिए haven't. Haven't plus pronoun I. Haven't I? Next example we have, he has offered me a bribe. So has plus verb का थर्ड फॉर्म. अगर has के साथ में सेम रूल, has के साथ में अगर verb का थर्ड फॉर्म आता है फ्रेंड्स, has plus verb का थर्ड फॉर्म, तो at that time our answer should be hasn't. तो hasn't. Then pronoun he. This two statement we have done affirmative to negative. Here we have to move example based on negative and that will be converted into affirmative. See, has plus third form, has plus third form, has finished, verb का third form, and then the object आया the task. So he has not finished the task. So not will be removed from here. So answer खाली जब भी have not plus third form दिया हुआ हो तो उसका आंसर have आएगा, और has plus not plus verb का थर्ड फॉर्म दिया हुआ हो तो उसका आंसर only has आएगा. इसमें से not को हम रिमूव कर देंगे और खाली क्या बचेगा? has. So here not will be removed and answer will be has only. Has. And the pronoun he. Next example we have, they have not performed an activity. So see the same sentence over here, have प्लस नॉट प्लस वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म, अगर हैव दिया है, नॉट आए सेंटेंस में और अगर वर्ब का थर्ड फॉर्म आता है तो आंसर विल बी ओनली हैव। नॉट यहां से निकल जाएगा और आपका बचा हेल्पिंग वर्ब क्या बचा, हैव। तो हम यहां पे क्या पुट करेंगे, हैव, देन द सब्जेक्ट दे। इसी तरह से सिंपल पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस भी है। So here we'll see the difference between only had and had plus verb third form. When the had plus V third form will be there, then it will be considered as past perfect tense, right? So the formation will be subject, had, verb third form, object and phrases, right? Like the same. When the had plus verb third form is given in affirmative, then your answer will be hadn't. In negative, had plus not plus verb third form, then your answer will be only had. I have given you example on it. They had driven. Had driven. Driven is verb third form. Drive, drove, driven. They had driven. So had plus verb third form. So it's called past perfect tense. When had plus verb third form is given, your answer should be only hadn't. And the pronoun they. They had noticed my action. So had plus verb third form, same past perfect tense. So answer will be had noticed over here. So had plus third form, so answer will be over here hadn't they. Pronoun. Now here we have two sentences which is given in negative. He had not praised her. So had plus not plus verb third form. So sentence given in negative, so not will be replaced over here. It will be removed. Only had will be there. And the pronoun he. Fourth number, he had not received any mail. So had received third form, but with not. Negative is given, so not will be removed. Only had will be there. And the pronoun he. I hope you have understood what is the difference between only have plus object or have plus verb third form plus object. Present tense or present perfect tense. Now in our next videos we will see the imperative sentence, right, related to question tag. I hope you like the videos. Please subscribe it and share it in your group. By that the other students, those who are in the house, right, in the time of lockdown, they can study at home. Thank you for watching videos.